Hello, welcome to Bars and Bells. My name is Ian, and with Lauren today, we'll be exploring a 2.5-minute routine to add strength and conditioning to your kettlebell workout. You'll be using the 30-second intervals to build endurance and strength with this follow-along video series. Let's try to get 50 kettlebell swings in 2.5 minutes. But for today, we'll start with 5 repetitions of our deadlift hinge every 30 seconds. Are you ready to start? I am.
Yes.
You are. Let's go. Shake it out in between sets, take a big breath, and in about 5 seconds, we'll start by hinging over our bell, gripping on tight, and lift for 5. Return, lift, return, 3, 4, use those tension techniques, 5, return, barehanded up, and shake out. Wiggle it. Keep your breath and try to breathe in and out of the nose. In a second or two, let's stand over our bell. We'll set up our hinge and preload for our first repetition, and down, and down, and 3, and down. Return barehanded. Mix it up. Breathe in and out of the nose, control the breath. Pack the shoulders, create tension like in your planks, and in 3, 2, set up your hinge. 1, return, return. Sniff in, tension up. 5, return. In the body weight or the loaded rep, maintain the integrity of your hinge. Hinge, extend. Shake it out. And in 3, 2, our 4th set, preload with the grip, up to the top 1, 2, 3, barehanded up. Shake it out. 4th set. My last set is the favorite set. Finish with strength, control, and in 3, 2, hip hinge, hands on, 1, return, down, and barehanded up. And breathe. Thank you for following along with this introduction to On the 30 Seconds and our kettlebell swing. Follow through to video 2 for more strength suggestions and progressions to get those 50 swings. Thanks for joining, stay strong, and see you soon.